Example 7. A square prism with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting with its base on HP such that one of its base edge is making an angle of 45 degree to the VP. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 60 degree to the HP and 15 mm from the top base. Draw the sectional top view and front view. So here we are having a square prism. So the solid given here is a square prism with side 40 mm and axis 65 mm long, and it is resting with its base on HP such that one of its base edges is making an angle of 45 degree to the VP. So here this is an interesting question. First we will place this solid object in the first quadrant in such a way that one of the base should rest on the HP. So this is simple. The square prism resting on the HP. The top view will be a square, the front view will be a rectangle. But here one more thing is mentioned. One of the base edges is making an angle of 45 degree to VP. So we have to place this square prism in such a way that base should be resting on HP, but one of the base edges should be inclined at 45 degree to VP. And then it is cut by a section plane inclined at 60 degree to the HP. So again, this is mentioned here clearly. It is being cut by a inclined section plane with respect to HP. So we will cut this solid from the in the front view. That the section plane's line will appear, and you will get the sectional top view. And the distance is given as 15 mm from the top base. So you have to take the section plane at a distance of 15 mm from the top base. So we will see now first how to imagine this. So on your screen right now, the square prism is directly resting on its base on HP, and also the one of the edge is parallel to VP. As you can see from the above, the edge or face is parallel to VP, but here in this question we have to make it inclined at 45 degree to the VP. So I will rotate this in such a way that the edge should be 40 inclined at 45 degree. You see that it is being inclined, and this is going to be our final front view, two rectangles, and this is going to be our top view, like a rhombus, but it's a square only. So when coming to our section plane, now I have taken the section plane parallel to HP. So this is the case where the section plane is parallel to HP. Make no mistake, the section plane is parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP. But here in our question, the section plane is given at an inclination angle. So uh, we have to tilt this section plane, which is now parallel to HP. So I'll just drag this section plane. Now you see that I am trying to make some angle with respect to HP. So let us say this is the angle which was given 60 degree, and this is how the section plane will cut this solid. So this is going to be our front view. Now you can see that I am toggling with it, and this is going to be our final top view. You can see the cut portion in the gray area. Now here, see here, this is the sectional portion, and some portion has been left without cutting, as you can see in the yellow color. Observe that. So this is going to be our, and this diamond like shape is the auxiliary view, true shape. I will talk about this in the latter part of this section, but here we need to observe the final front view and top view. So this is the final front view. So in the drawing sheet you have to draw this front view and top view. Now we will see how to draw this. So as it is mentioned that the square prism is resting on the uh, horizontal plane. So top view will be a square and front view will be a rectangle. But then it is given also that it's one of its base edges making an angle of 45 degree with the VP. So I need to make 45 degree angle first. I'm just taking this line arbitrarily with no length. Now, as the square side is, one side is given as 40 mm, I will draw one side
of 40 mm. This means that this is making an angle of 45 degrees. This is also making an angle of 45 degrees, which was actually given in the question. I am marking points here 1, 2, 3, 4. Afterwards it will become easy for us to identify. And this is your XY line. That means our front view will rest on this. As it is a prism, this whole portion will be appearing as a rectangle. So this was the just top view and front view of this figure. 1 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash and 3 dash. And when coming to our section plane, it is mentioned that the section plane is at an angle of 60 degree to the HP, and it is at 15 mm from the top base. This is the top base, this is the bottom base. From top base I am taking 15 mm. I am marking one point here. And now I will take an angle of 60 degree. As you can see that the section plane is cutting this whole portion, this all portion will get removed, and hence the leftover portion will be this, and we have to darken this with the H pencil. And now we will get the sectional top view. So imagine, as we and also we have seen that as this portion has been removed, this portion will be left as it is. This is not the cut portion, but this portion is somewhat removed from this side. That is why this whole portion will come in the hatching lines. Again I am setting the drafter to 45 degrees. So this completes our sectional top view also. Hence this exercise number 7 is completed. Thank you.
This is the final solution of square prism directly resting on its base on HP with one of the edge inclined at 45 degree to the VP. Here the inclined plane, as you can see, inclined cutting plane. This is the inclined cutting plane 60 degree to the HP, and this distance is 15 mm given. This is the sectional top view.